Hi guys! Today, we do unboxing of Delonghi coffee maker. This is a drip. Nabili ko siya sa Quartz for 59 SGD. Usual price is 69 SGD. Yan, may kasama siyang warranty card. Warranty for 1 year ata siya. Sister company to ng Kenwood at saka ng Brown. Ayan, parang may warranty card na naman siya. Then, instruction or manual. Instruction note that the first time the appliance is used, all accessories and the internal circuit must be washed through by making at least 2 jugs of coffee without using of ground coffee. So, 2 beses mo siyang irara ng water. Ayan, may nabili kami ditong kape Amadeo. Ayan, sa Amadeo Cavite namin to nabili nung pumunta kami ng Tagaytay. This is the Pahimis blend, ang best seller nila. It's a ground coffee beans already. Ayan, we put the water in the tank. 5 cups, full tank. This is the tap water. Ang ginamit nating panukat yung jug, coffee jug din. Then we place the coffee filter. Coffee filter we buy 20 piece for 320 at Giant. Ayan. Sakto siya. Laki niya. Then we put 5 scoop of coffee powder. Because 5 cups is to 1 cup of water is equal to 1 scoop. 1:1. So, ang nilagay natin ay 5 cup of water. So, we need 5 scoop. Kape tayo. Sarap. Kape Amadeo.